Oh, hi Danny. Well, I have Colgate Maximum Cavity Protection. Kids can stay protected while enjoying their snacks. Who is the target audience for the advertisements? The target audience of these advertisements are mothers and children. What are the logical fallacies used to deliver the message in the advertisement? It uses appeal to authority as it is characterized as using authority as evidence in your environment. What is the message of the advertisement? The toothpaste that the dentist recommended will help protect the children's teeth against cavities brought by their favorite snacks. They can enjoy eating snacks without worrying about their teeth as long as they are using Colgate. How does the message mean to persuade the target audience? The advertisement used the phrase, the brand that dentists recommend most. This implies that authority, such as the dentist, was being used to persuade people to buy the toothpaste. Summarize the overall message. In the advertisement, the doctor asked the students who likes these snacks, and he said that these snacks can cause cavities. He recommended protection against cavities, and it is the Colgate. The Colgate can make the teeth stronger and protect from cavities. What does this message say about a particular group in society? The message says about a particular group in society is that brushing your teeth is very important for your health and for others as well.